Oh yeah, stream will start, or stream has already started, but I will like always set a few things up and then we can finally start. Second. Okay, hello by the way to everyone who joined recently or who already joined. And I'm just too slow regarding my mind pace. Mind pace, is that even a word? But yeah, if I'm too slow to kind of get everything now in the right speed. Also track the chat with my mobile phone. With yeah, I have to say with instead of with. This is a little bit too German, so I should try to say with instead of with. Yeah, okay. That was my mobile phone. My mobile phone, because I wanna track the chat while speaking. For that, thanks for the like to the one who liked recently. Yes. Now next step is updating the chat. Here we go. Chat inside the screen, and now hello to the one who joined recently. Now I want to post on X that I'm streaming. Okay, it's posted on X. Now we can get to the music. Okay. Where do I, by the way, I should add the music. Hello to everyone who joined. Let's use no copyright sounds today. Copyright sound, the radio of it. There's no copyright sound radio. I will thank them in the chat. This is an annoying ad, by the way. Is it too loud? No, I guess I got the wrong volume. Okay. I should also add the video description regarding the music. And let me use some text. I never use text. Okay, now we can start to code. After... Yeah, I always need my 5 minutes of preparation before I can finally start to code like I wanted. But yeah, here we go. Now, what is the stuff I wanna accomplish today? First of all, we wanna do something like... we want to Let's start the game, then I can show you. So yesterday, if anyone missed the stream, hello Cataclysm. Hello Catalyst, how are you? Yeah, great that you are on my stream. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, yesterday there was nothing much to miss. Now I made this message here. And what I'm doing now is I want to make the possibility to so to make the possibility to I forgot what I wanted to say. Let's now use this twice statement. How did I do it in the inventory dev? Okay, first the event one. And then okay. Hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, let's code together. If you want, by the way, if you want me to show anything during stream, just can call me on Discord or write me on Discord or anywhere you want. Yeah. And hello to anyone who joined recently. 7 viewers. Wow. Yeah, kind of a really good start today. Thanks for everyone who joined. Yes. Okay, now let's see. If event type mouse button down. So first we need to if Pygame. This is kind of if we are in. If Pygame rectangle, if our cursor is above the white one. And we kind of need to save any resources just because, yeah. Hello, Matt. Discord, 1 second. Hello, Matt. Thanks for joining. Yeah. I'm kind of I guess I catch the right time. Discord, 1 second. I will copy it. You can add me. I also have a group, a channel. This is a user ID. So can. By the way, it's saying, oh, it's. So that's my ID, and the name of the account is. Let me show you that as well. So you can add me on Discord, and then I can add you to the local group. And yeah, to our common Discord channel. Okay, so yes, and hello to everyone who joined recently, and goodbye to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, kind of. Not goodbye to everyone, I mean goodbye to everyone who left recently. So we have Pygame. Did I already? Yes, I imported Pygame. So now we need button. Okay, not if Pygame point rectangle. And button should be a rectangle. Oh yeah, it works. Perfect. If now let's see where's mouse button point down. If event type equals mouse button point down. Print return. Self point running equals false. Okay. Now let's see. Left click doesn't happen, but yeah, we can. Ah, yeah, we can close it. Okay. This spot looks nice. Cool. It's a cool stone sword, so of course it looks nice, as you can see. Perfect. Also invited you to our local coding Discord group. Okay, so back to the game. Hello to everyone who joined recently. Yeah, as you can see, I'm working on this game. Now I closed it and we are back to the actual, actual what we are doing now. Oh, I already did that. I already invited you. I already did that. I already someone. Yes. I just invited you to the Discord group. If anyone also wants a Discord group, I posted my Discord stuff in the chat. There you can share your code. No problem. Okay, so what is our next big step? It could be... Yeah, so I should... Here, red, yeah. Delete item. And... Don't delete item. Don't delete item. Is the second button? Dev message. Oh no. Self point message equals nothing. Because I'm working. What the hell am I doing? Let me explain you. If I want to delete an item, like here, we get this one, delete item, and if I click, nothing happens now. But this message box I'm working on should get should send the game a message. Yeah, delete the item, depending on what button you are clicking on. So this could also be an engine where you do certain stuff. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay, so Item delete message. Save point. Message. Don't delete. Okay, no, not now. We have another button. Dev class button. Oh, not class. We have a new class that is called button. By the way, we should refactor message box. Rename to, yes, he already, because we want to stay in uppercase. So refactor rename. Yeah, that's the cool stuff about PyCharm. I'm coding in Python all the time, and for the game I'm using Pygame. Just kind of more. I started that for fun because I wanted to do Unity, but it's kind of, yeah, has much more flexibility than I first thought, so I got stuck into that, and now I'm doing the entire game in Pygame. I hope the resources are enough for that, and yeah. It's kind of, you have to stay minimalistic, you can't do big games with that, but yeah, I kind of like the style and everything I did with it. Yes. Okay, so now I wanna I wonder why, I wonder what. Don't delete. Yeah, button. Class button. You can delete this, by the way. Button, dev init. What does a button need? It needs a color, which is a string. And it needs, come on, what does it else? Rectangle, yeah. Rectangle, which is a Pygame point rectangle. And yes, self point, color equals color, self point, rectangle equals rectangle. And okay, now I got stuck into thinking. Big thinking mode. Blit. My nose feels itchy. Yeah. Button. Yes, button of and yeah, wet. Now yeah, now it works as well. But now we have created objects. Hello, Mattstone. How are you doing? Great to see you. And how are you doing? Yes. Did they stream? Yeah, again. button point color. Light green. Does he know the color? Okay, then we stick with green. Simply stick to green. Hello to everyone who joined recently. Yes, I can totally show that. 1 second. So, 1 second. Or 2 seconds. 1 second, 2 seconds. Where is my Discord? Discord. 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 Where is my Discord? Okay, here I got. No, yes, I will show it. So, now we are showing assets that were created by Mastodon. I will, 1 second, storage, use a test, we can store it here. Yeah, these cool assets were, I guess he's making a game. You can explain that in the chat. Yes, these graphics were made by Mastodon. We'll zoom in a little bit. That's too much. Yeah, now we can view it better. Yeah, these graphics were made by Mastodon. You can, if you want, you can explain what kind of game you are developing. And yeah, they're made, by the way, with Inkscape, a tool I also want to engage soon. Just got used to GIMP, but yes. Assets for a spaceship game. So yeah, these are spaceships. It's really cool, and I already saw something that reminded me of Star Fox. I don't know if anyone knows Star Fox. It's a really old game, the Star Fox 64. It wasn't even... Yeah, it was also a 3D game in Super Nintendo. And that's one of the first 3D games ever. It used real 3D. And... which one? So are these... I get it. These are the directions. So if they are heading in different directions... Oh, cool. So Matthew played Star Fox. Which one did you play? The 64, Super Nintendo, or what I also liked, even if it's not a Star Fox game, Star Fox Adventures for GameCube. That was my childhood. Oh, 64, yes. Okay, so you're the background images. So some of them are walks for the backgrounds. I like that, they're really colorful. This looks like looks like one of the early space rockets. Pretty cool. Yeah, thank you for providing the assets. Looks really cool. If you have more to show, send me on Discord. And this is, by the way, this goes for everyone. If anyone want to show assets or any assets, any games, anything he programmed, created, You can show that on Discord. We have an entire, you can send it me there, or we have already coding launch Discord server, so if you want to post anything there, go ahead. Yeah, so let me, now this should be everything visible. No problem. I have to thank you for providing the actual content. And yeah. Oh, I need a coffee, but not now. But yeah. So back to the message box, main message box. So now we have a button. What we need is a rectangle with, oh, I need to skip that ad for, okay. Now, green. This is position, should, seems alright. Plus saf x plus saf x size minus 270. Now let's back to the game. Oh yeah, that's too high. Oh yeah, because it's only 150, so say like this. Oh yeah, this is an error message. It happens occasionally, yes. Delete item. Save point, action message. Message. Button point message. And yeah, now the button has a message, which is a string, obviously, of course. And thanks for the one who subscribed lately, a new subscriber, which is pretty cool. Thank you for subscribing. And yeah. Green, green, green. Where's green? Yes. Append. I need to add this. Yeah. Ah, yeah, self point append. Yeah, I should. Buttons of delete message. Yeah, I should comment much more. Yeah, message should be a string, by the way. Message. This is optional what I did regarding the colon and then the data type, but I try to now. I will try to implement it from now on. The red button, delete item. Keep this item. self point message equals button point message. And now we are getting to the inventory, because now we're having a new message that can be returned to the inventory. Okay, where did I use the inventory? Here. Where did I message? If equals, now let's see. Let's see. Into the sea. Sorry, that was really a bad pun. Let's see into the sea. I kind of feel ashamed. But yeah, sometimes you have to see into the sea. Okay. I should relax. Inventory message equals delete item. Oh, wrong one. Does it work? Let's see. No. Okay, not now. Interesting, mysterious and interesting. Why does it not work? And yeah, I also have to do what else? Get back to message box. Button point X plus 20 and button point Y minus 20. Now let's see. Oh. Or was it? Oh yeah, this was just a stone one. Okay. I messed something up. Or was it simple because... No, I messed it up, okay. That's interesting. Why does it not work right now? I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Maybe it's because it doesn't like my singing voice. Okay, I guess that's not the chord behind it, but... Or maybe you don't know. You can't really know for or can't be sure regarding this. Can never be sure. Okay, so Blitz. Keep this item. I mean, what I simply changed was if let's switch back. Yeah, so now it again works. Like it was intention to work. And that leaves me confused, or not confused because it works, but yeah. Why it didn't work before? Let's see. So screen blitz, self-point warning. So if I use button point X and button point Y, this shouldn't change anything, but it should move away. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, sorry that I'm not talking at the moment, I'm just confused. Why does it not work anymore? So button. Self-point warning. Ah, maybe. Button doesn't have an X. Yes, I'm stupid. Self point X equals rectangle point X. Self point Y equals rectangle point Y. Why am I that stupid sometimes? And now, abracadabra. Abracadabra. Button point X and button, not button point Y size. Still, what it doesn't have is a Y size. But, bam. Still, it's not, doesn't have the right position because it only should have plus 20 and button Y minus 40. Now let's try it again. Okay, minus 40 is too much. Plus minus 40. No, I just mean minus 40. Yeah, plus minus 40 and minus 40 is the same. Simple math. And let's do minus 10. What happens now? Okay, plus 10. Perfect. Keep this item, delete this item. Of course we wanna... No, we don't know. Do we want to keep it? We don't want to keep it, so delete this item. Okay, keep, that works. Delete doesn't work. Oh, here it works. Hello to the one who joined recently. Working on this little game here, as you can see. Trying to figure out why this message, if I want to delete my sword, why doesn't... keeping is simple, but deleting doesn't work. So let's find out why it doesn't delete. It doesn't delete, it delays. So if event type message, if item equals none, doesn't do anything. Did anything wrong? Ah, okay. E. Okay. If message equal... Now let's see. Again. Keep this item, works. Delete this item. No, again, delete this item. Okay, we can't delete this item, even if we try our best. Maybe it works if the item... Yeah, here we have 3 new swords. Can we delete one of this? No. Okay. How do we do it here? For other item, additional items, so... Yeah, sorry for the long speaking pause. Don't actually know how I can fix that because kind of did the same thing here. Or message equals button point message. Ah, I guess. Let's see. This is a message. Okay, again. Let's try it. Yeah, as you can see, it's still equipped. Yeah, that's a bug. and not item point equipped. Yeah, now we can't delete it. But if we unequip it, we can delete it. Yeah, perfect, it works. I did it. I'm out of items now. Don't do any damage anymore. So let's add some new thoughts. Equip one. And now we can delete them. Simply but effective. Cool, isn't it? Now this is, by the way, the basic for selling items, trading items, and all sorts of things. It's kind of a good blueprint. Yes, kind of like it. It is ugly as hell. I have to admit that. I still need to decorate the inventory. But this will happen later on. For now, I'm pretty happy that I have an inventory. And yeah, I will now get myself a coffee, and then we can finally add new item types. Because I finally want to generate helmets as a new item. And wings. Helmet and wings will be created. And then we can think about a new item type like shoes or chest armor. And if we got all of this, I can... Yes. Do something. Okay, so it's time, I guess it's time for a coffee break. I should break my coffee? No, I'm just joking, even if I'm not good in joking. I mean, it's time to get myself a coffee. And then we will see again in 8 minutes. I hope that not everyone will leave in these 8 minutes. But I need a coffee. And some time to think about what to implement next. Okay, I know what to implement next, but how I implement that? So that you already know this little guy here. Really impressed how much viewers got in this short amount of time. Okay, see you in 8 minutes. I will hurry as quick as possible. See you.
jail after what you did. 'Cause you were the devil. You messed with my head. You lied to my mother. You lied to my friends. You said that you'd be there, but this never ends. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. You're just a ghost inside my head. Oh, you're just a ghost inside my head.
Okay, I'm back. Thank you for not leaving. Okay. Oh, I have to reorganize my desk, otherwise I will, there will be an accident which causes in my entire keyboard and any sort of stuff drowning in coffee. Yeah, everything will drowning in my coffee. And that's not what I intend to do. I mean, not for my equipment. Sorry, also got myself cheese. You know, this kind of cheese that smells as hell, but is kind of rich in protein. Yeah, could also be an item. Protein, cheese that is rich in protein. Protein-rich cheese. There's even called something which is called protein cheese, not protein cheese, protein cheese. One second. Yeah, coffee is great. Now, so where did I left everything? Yeah, I wanted to add helmets, so for that we need our helmet generator from our previous game. Make BG helmet image generator. Let's copy that. image generators. Hermit image generator. So, by the way, great music in the background. Don't know if you think the same as I do, but really lovely music, piece of art. Kind of the fast pace of the... Yeah, I really like the fast pace of the song. But yeah, enough of talking about the great music, even if it's great. So what can we do now? Next. Hello to the one who joined recently. We have the SWOT generator. Multibox. Did we use multibox? Let's see. Second. Multibox. What again? When did we use multibox? Let's see. When did we use multibox? I mean, multibox is something else, not the same as we used. Yeah. Kind of hard to explain what I'm referring to. First, let's see how I implemented the SWOT. Item equipable. SWOT weapon. Let's now create a new class which is called helmet. I have so many pencils, I just play occasionally with my pencils, that's why I have so many pencils lying around. Hello to everyone who joined recently. I want to create object-oriented approach on an RPG like Diablo 2, but at the moment, what am I doing at the moment? Yeah, I'm creating helmets. Should I write in uppercase because I have a class? And yeah, now the dev init. Have to add a super one, add super class. Yeah, we go the same way as in helmet, but yeah, I hope my singing doesn't do any harm to anyone, because it is capable of doing harm, trust me. My singing voice can do harm to neighbors. If you hate your neighbors, you should use my singing voice. It's a perfect tool for that if you hate your neighbors. Anyways. Okay, sorry for the long singing. Singing kind of, yeah, for the rarity. Okay, name or non-helmet. Let's copy that. Already did this here. Do it again. Okay, so we now need to set up every attribute of the helmet class. So, and for the image, we should generate a helmet image, not, and that's important. By the way, I just realized, images, trash. Whoa, that's a lot of trash here. I should delete these images. I even called this folder trash simply because everything here can be deleted. It will be created anyway by the game itself. And when the game is finished, I have to use a mechanism that deletes every picture that is not needed anymore. Okay. So unexpected argument. Don't we have X and Y? Oh no. Yes, we have. Weapon. Self. Unexpected argument. Ah, there we go, I get it. I get it. Hopefully I got it. Otherwise I wouldn't get it. Obviously. Yeah, I'm eating while coding, that's why I'm making this strange noises of an eldritch abomination. Okay. Now, self name equals name. Generate helmet names. We don't have an helmet name yet. No problem. Generate helmet name. So, difference here is helmet cap, usual cap, helmet, and again helmet. Heavy and of the goldsmith of the spider kiwi of the forgotten cave. Okay. So, with that in mind, we can easily generate a helmet name. But next to the name, you also have to generate the image, because I also work with procedural images, and I already made a great, or in my opinion, it is a decent tool for the image generation. So let's do that. Sorry for the strange noises. I mean the noises in my head. Sorry. Yeah, sometimes I kind of overdo my enjoyment. Okay, is it even a term you can use in proper language? Overdo your... I mean, everyone knows what I'm trying to refer, but still. Overdo your excitement, that's the right term. That's the term I wanna use for that. Okay. Ah, look at that. I will do the same with the helmet. First of all, I should import the helmet generator. Generators point helmet image generator as helmet image. Helmet Imgen. Okay, kind of strange name. No. Helmet image endpoint, generate helmet image. Okay, that can be kind of complicated, but not that complicated, because if multibox, so we also need a new. Okay, multibox equals false. Multibox equals false. And now, like in our sort generator, we also need image save. Yeah, that's also important. Image save should be the same folder. Okay, name, where is the name? Name equals output. Name equals output, okay. Now, make spot image. Okay. Do I? Oh, I have the pawn type, yeah. If added Gimli. That's totally stupid because we have added Gimli here. But yeah, kind of can't ignore that. But I will. So I guess let's get back to item. Let's get back to equipable. What equipable here? Have not emerged. Okay, so the path. I get it, for the name and the path. That's why I used the multi-box one. Yeah, kind of. I created this 1 month ago, and if you review your code month. Why did I do this? Why did I create this? I guess it has debugging issues. Ho 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 print. Great for debugging. Just write ho ho ho. Nothing meaningful, just write ho ho ho. Okay. Now let's attributes. Let's do that. Okay, attributes. Okay, this is not needed because we don't have max and minimum damage, but we need a new attribute which is called armor. Or do we do it now? Thinking. Because a helmet should provide armor, obviously. Are you? I don't know. Are you? That's what in the song she sang. Are you? And I don't know. Am I? That could be the main question of today's stream. Am I? Are you? Are you? This is directed to the viewers, not to me. Are you? Sorry. Are you? Need to ask what is important, okay. Add attributes. Should I? Now I have to look at attributes. I have to attributes again. Where's attributes? Item affix, here we go. Life, base damage, attack range, movement speed. Now we need armor. Use and unuse, okay. Base damage. Now it gets complicated. We are implementing armor. So, with that being said, we need a new attribute for the player. Hello to the one who joined recently. Yes, I'm kind of trying to core. Is it not core? Is it NPC static moving? Here's the player. Here's the player that died. Ah, here, max HP. Let's do it in the defense. Self point. HP and defense stuff. Self point armor. Self point armor equals 0. NPC damage player. Let's see, special attack. Doesn't it have more? Ability set direction move. Okay. I'm looking for the player and the NPC and damage player. Squirrel, okay, Squirrel simply damages player. Okay, this is more complicated than I thought. Because in some cases I overvote. Okay, let's see damage player. How often did I overvote it? Okay, here is a simple one, damage player and enemy. We overvote it in Squirrel and in complex enemy, okay. Now let's call armor mod though, so equals 1. And we want to hard divide it with armor mod. Shouldn't change a single thing. Hello Catalyst. Yeah, you also got coffee. Do I have? I have no coffee left. I drank all my coffee now. It's a shame. I should drink more coffee. Much more. I mean the terms enough and coffee, I always repeat myself, but enough and coffee and enough, these terms doesn't match together. So there is not enough in regards of coffee, in regards of coffee. Sometimes I accidentally say Kaffee, which is a German word for coffee, is Kaffee. Sometimes I simply say Kaffee, but I'm referring to coffee. Again. Damage player. Now I want to redo what I did wrong here. So. And armor mod equals 1. And here again, armor mod equals 1. Okay, that seems to work. Armor mod, armor mod, armor. Not here. 1, 2, 3. 1. Yes, we will change that. Armor mod equals 1. Here we go. But that's good that the signature has to match, because of that we kind of get a message, and then we can see where we still have to alter everything for the armor mod. Okay. Now where do we have armor mod? Armor mod. Okay. I'm just feeling itchy. Yeah, because I don't want to mess that up. Point. One. Two. And here again, yeah, here it is implemented, 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 implemented. Now player needs an armor mod. So where do we have armor? Self point armor. And self point armor mod. Equals 1 plus, and now we need a boolean. Plus self point armor I'm just thinking, should I do the square root? First, port numpy snp plus np point square root of self point armor divided by 10. Yeah, I think that is a reasonable function for that. And because of that, using a function that is called update armor, def update armor and yeah, it is not, it is armor. Yeah, we keep that as, because it is funny. And it should be in this case npc armor mod. This should be armor mod, and in this case self point armor mod. Okay. Now we can finally come to the class, armor, item affix, item F affix, static, let's see, first of all, attack range, base damage, life. It's kind of static multiplier. It's kind of similar to life in a lot of cases regarding the multiplier. Similar to life, but let's increase the multiplier in this case with 10. Let's do 10 and add armor. And use player point, and that's why we wrote this new function, to make life a little bit easier. Player point update armor. The self point amount. And again, player point update armor minus self point amount. Now why did I do that? So in the weapon, sword weapon, we have the inserted base damage. And now we have, which is a base attribute, every weapon has a base damage. And in the case of a helmet, it has not item base damage, but armor. And in this case, make thwart, helmet, we don't use these two. We have not, where do we have that? We have instead amount and name. Like, where is the thwart? Oh, I have the list. Yeah, I should add item attributes. Oh no, because it's not a... Okay, now I have to think. Okay, I thought, but I don't have school tomorrow. Tomorrow I actually don't need to work. I will have to work on Tuesday, but not tomorrow. But I will soon close. I will wanted to do the 2 hours, so in 20 minutes I will be finished in every kind of way. Protein. Sorry, I needed to do the pun. Attribute self point. Okay, what happens if I simply use self point level multiplied, this is a formula. Armor self point level multiplied with a random integer with armor point static multiplier, armor in this case. No, armor. You have a static multiplier. Need to use another bracket here. Item added. Okay, item point attributes point armor static multiplier. Okay. Now let's try that out. NPC thwart helmet. Point helmet. Let's generate us some helmets. Okay, 0, but if not random. Okay. Now let's see, we should now have helmets. Ah, here we go. Okay, there's still something odd with them. Able to add them, so let's get to the item. Equipable. Ah, level equals level. Okay. Not enough attributes, I guess. But we have 4 samples. And the rarity is, in this case, 4. Or maybe... Ah, okay, I get it. Kind of. And rarity. Smaller than 4, if I got it right. Okay, at least now. Let's see. Yeah, we got caps. A cap, and common cap. Yeah, they don't look interesting at all. That's simply based on the fact, yeah, here we have epic ones, adds damage, attack radius, life. That's what we are looking for. We can't even... Oh, we can't equip it yet. Okay. Ah, because of add armor takes... But 3 were given. Okay, let's try that again. We got the legendary ones. Okay, so we are able to equip it, as you can see here. Still the wrong spot. Or I guess I don't even know. Okay, that's the last thing I want to do today before finishing. Let's see how we do stuff. Yeah, I mean, okay. Inventory. Item FX. Or was it simply in items? I'm thinking. Equipable. Ah, self point position. And yes, self point position of the sword. Ah, okay. One. Now let's get some items. Maybe it's two. Okay, close it and let's try it with self point position 2. Self point pos equals 2. Yeah, here we go. See what else do we get? This looks cool. Okay. I guess with that in mind, well, let me record something. Okay, I guess I got it. We finally implemented a new item type. And yeah, tomorrow we can look at wings. And then we can finally add something like chest armor. Yeah, something like this, chest armor and shoes. So yeah, we are now getting a full inventory of items. And now you're even able to delete them. So yeah, thanks everyone for joining the stream. Yeah, I kind of had it easy because I already in a previous game I developed, I already implemented the image generator for the helmets. But still, it was really cool, had fun today. Yeah, see you hopefully in the next stream. See you and bye bye. Oh, where do I end the stream? And thanks for the new subscriber, by the way.